Introducing the Woodpeckers Thin Rip Guide for precision table saw cuts. Slide it into the T-track miter slot, lock it in place, and make cuts from 1/32 inch to 1/4 inches thick. The laser engraved scale allows easy calibration, ensuring accurate measurements in millimeters and inches. Made from durable aluminum, it's compatible with 3/8 inch x 3/4 inch T-slots and comes with a wall-mountable racket TM for convenient storage. Perfect your cuts with the Woodpeckers Thin Rip Guide.